36 Iowa high school students and incoming college students attended a 2.5-day STEM Summer Institute sponsored by Iowa EPSCoR. The Institute featured tours of several academic research facilities, providing students direct communication with researchers and the opportunity to see what goes on behind the scenes in science career fields.
A lot of my friends said it was really nice and helped you out with college, and I needed that because I had no drive. And I heard about this week-long learning. I was like, that seems pretty cool. I might learn some cool stuff. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Coming from a small town, I don't really have that many opportunities to come and see this kind of stuff. So being able to get into the labs and get into different parts of campus that I don't normally have access to is really awesome, and it's a really great opportunity.
Programs like this are important to high school kids because they help us better off getting to college. I don't think I would have been able to make it to college without them helping me out.
Often the interesting thing, the thing that motivates people to be scientists and engineers is sort of lost in that high school education. So when you have a program where you can see actual scientists and engineers working in their labs and see all the interesting things that they get to do in their life, then that is just so valuable. In fact, I got to see some places that I never would have been able to in my normal roles, and it was fascinating. And I think the kids had a great time seeing the different facilities.
We went to this building where we learned about this soldier named Santos, and it's about a visual person, and they showed us how they build tanks there and how the tanks work, and if a tank would flip over, what kind of exits do they have from the tank, and how they make their tanks better and faster and all that.
I really like the hygienic lab because that's kind of like stuff with CDC and like health, and I really like that stuff, and I find that really interesting. So I think just the study of diseases is really cool.
All the way around, 360-degree vision.
My favorite thing was the car simulation.
I like the car simulation thing. I like being able to get in the little car thing and drive it and stuff. It was way different than driving an actual car.
I was going 80 and 70. Probably shouldn't have been doing that.
Yesterday, how we went to the labs, I love that because they got to actually explain to us what they do there and how things work there. And today we got to work more with turbine, wind, energy stuff, and we actually learned a lot. It was pretty cool.
He let us try on the electrical suits and the protection and everything so that you can work on the electrical boxes and all of that. He showed us the wind turbines and all of that, and he explained a little bit about it and how you work on them, and then he showed us how to use the torque wrenches and everything, and we actually got to try that out too, and it was all really fun.
With the opportunity to meet passionate scientists and experience hands-on time with engineering equipment, these students are now ready to consider a future that may involve STEM education.
Well, I think just coming from different backgrounds, you don't always have this kind of opportunities, and just being able to see, the labs and stuff, see what it's really like is a really awesome thing, just to be able to see how it is. So
I would definitely tell people to do this. It's so much fun.
Opportunities like this are very important for just kids like me that we didn't have any drive, didn't have a lot of money, and just gives us this huge opportunity to be able to go experience things that wouldn't have been possible without the programs. And it's just one of the best experiences anyone could have.